In this video, I want to destroy Windows 11. If you want to learn how to destroy Windows 11, then follow this step. We can easily destroy any Windows. You can destroy Windows 11, 10, or Windows 7. Open your Drive C. Look, here we have Windows. Open this folder. Then scroll down. Find System 32. Open this folder. We have a lot of file or a lot of application here. For example, when we work with Notepad, our Notepad is here. When we work with WordPad, our WordPad is here. When we delete this folder, we can destroy Windows. Let's delete this folder. Or I want to delete. Right click, then click here, delete. Let's see what happened. We can't delete like this because we don't have permission. Open this folder, then you can delete one by one. Select any of them, then press shift with delete together, then click on continue. For example, select up to here, then press shift with delete, then enter, click on continue. Yes, I want to delete. Check this one, then click on continue. You can't delete some of them. Or I want Control A, then Shift delete, click on yes, click on continue. Continue. Now we delete something. When you restart your system, you will see what happened. Click on yes. Again, continue. Try again. Now our system is crazy. Let's restart the system. Come here, I click on restart. Look, this system is on virtual machine. Now, I destroy this Windows. If you delete 2 or 3 folder from System 32, your Windows will destroy. Look. Now, our Windows has problem. We delete some file from System 32. We destroy this Windows. Don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. If you want to destroy Windows, first install Windows on VirtualBox. If you want to install Windows on VirtualBox, then watch this video. Have a good day.